Nĩ ũhoro mũnene mũno na wa kũgegania kuona atĩ DJ Tripple nĩarĩkĩtie kũrikava na nginya agacokereria wĩra Githima TV. If you recall, kana ũngĩkorwo ũtoĩ, DJ Tripple fell ill some months ago, nginya akĩadmitwo thibitarĩ-inĩ kũraikara gwa kahinda we, but now he's finally back on his feet in good health na nĩacokereirie wĩra Githima TV. He has personally taken to his Facebook page to announce his comeback, akiuga back like we never left. Nginya share gabica gaka mena Betty wa Macharia ũrĩa ũkoretwo akĩmũnyitĩrĩra na njĩra nene mũno ever since he fell sick, ever since he was admitted at the hospital. She has been right by his side all through, and she even mobilized a lot of people including some of our Kikuyu celebrities and artists kwĩyumĩria gũsupport DJ Tripple, na kũrĩa meyumĩririe na njĩra nene mũno, kũrĩa mahotire raise awareness on DJ Triple's condition, na oho makĩhota raise funds through their fans. They were able to mobilize their fans to raise funds for DJ Tripple. Na Betty wa Macharia nĩakenereire ũndũ ũyũ mũno, nĩakenereire gũcoka kwa DJ Tripple akiuga see who is back, tears of joy. Ngai wakwa nĩ wega, Karango Mũraya tũra wĩ mũrathime. Na onake Karango Mũraya ndanatigwo na thutha. He has celebrated DJ Triple's comeback akiuga Jehovah Rapha has done it again to our own DJ Tripple. Jehovah Rapha, Mr. Wonderful, is grateful to all who supported this young man. May Jehovah enlarge your territories. Ona Brandon wa Karanja nĩaugĩte thank you God for healing this young man. He's back to his duties. DJ Tripple, we wĩ gĩcinga gĩtharĩtwo mwaki-inĩ. Karango Mũraya, tũrai mũno mwĩna Betty wa Macharia. Indeed, they both played a huge role in supporting DJ Tripple nginya haha akinyĩte. And DJ Tripple has personally been sharing his healing journey ever since he was admitted up to now that he's back to work, and we thank God for him. Togo Betty wa Macharia augĩte it is tears of joy to have him back. Welcome back again DJ Tripple, na Ngai akũgitĩre. And do not forget subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.